when we use calculators for doing calculation, there will be more digits in the result than given in the data. There should not be more digits in the result than given in the data. So we have to round off up to a particular digit. Now let us see the rules for rounding off. If the digit to be dropped is less than 5, the preceding digit should be left unchanged. So here this number is to be dropped. So this number is less than 5. So preceding digit is 3. So it is left unchanged. So here it is rounded off up to 2 digits. So 7.3, this 2 is to be dropped. This is less than 5. So the rule is the number to be dropped is less than 5. Preceding digit is left unchanged. Here it is to be rounded off up to 3 digits. That means this 6 is to be dropped. So this is more than 5. So the preceding digit increased by 1. So it will become 17.3. So here it is less than 5. Here it is more than 5. Now let us see what will happen when it is 5. So you see the number following this 5. So it is a number other than 0. 0 means rule is different. Here it is 5 is followed by a number. There are three possibilities. Either it will be followed by a number other than 0, or there may not be any number, or it will be 0. If it is followed by a number other than 0, then when you drop this 5, this is to be increased by 1. If 5 is followed by a number other than 0, when you round it off to 2 digit, it will become 7.4. In these two cases, 5 is followed by no number here. Here 5 is followed by 0. So if it is to be dropped, you see the preceding digit. So it is even number. Even number means it is left unchanged. So you can see 5 followed by 0. Then if it is even, it is unchanged. But in this case you can see it is odd number. Odd number you have to increase by 1. In these two cases, 5 followed by 0. Here 5 followed by a number other than 0. Other than 0 means it is to be increased. If 5 followed by 0 or no number, then even number means it is left unchanged. Odd number means you have to increase by 1. In all these cases, there are decimal points. Here another example is a number without a decimal point. Suppose we want to round it off up to 3 digits. Now this number is to be dropped. 1, 2, 3. This digit is to be dropped. So this is a number less than 5. Then if it is dropped, it will become 249. So it's wrong. We cannot do like that. First you try to express in terms of scientific notation. 2.48337 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So it is 10 raised to 5. Now given number is written in the scientific notation. Now we have to round it off up to 3 digits. So see this number 1, 2, 3. This is a number less than 5. So when you drop this, it will be left unchanged because this is a number less than 5. So into 10 raised to 5. So now you can come back to the original form. 10 raised to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you round it off to the 3 digit, it will become like this. Now let's apply rounding off in the case of arithmetic operations. 4 operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. First let us see addition. 3 data are given: 3.1, 1.780, 2.046. So when you add, you will get 6.926. In this, after the decimal point, there is only one digit. Here, after the decimal point, 3 digits are there here also. Out of this, in this is the least number of significant digits after the decimal point. Only one digit is there. So in the answer also, there should be only one digit after the decimal point. That means this is to be dropped. This number is less than 5. So you can drop this 2 and this will be left unchanged. So 6.9. In the case of subtraction, we can apply rounding off. So when 2 numbers are given, here after the decimal point 3 digits are there, here after the decimal point 2 digits are there. Now 10.217. So in the answer also there should be only 2 digits. The reason, here after the decimal point 3 digits are there, here after the decimal point only 2 digits are there. So you have to find the least number of digits after the decimal point. Here 3, here 2. So in the answer also there should be only 2, least number of digits after the decimal point. Here 3, here 2. So answer, there should be only 2 digits after the decimal point. So this 7 is to be dropped. This is more than 5. So this is to be increased by 1. So this 1 will become 2. So it's answer 10.22. But in the case of multiplication and division, the rule is different. Not after the decimal point. You have to see the number of significant digits in the given data. So when you multiply these two numbers, so you'll get like this 44.4312. Here 3 significant digits are there: 1, 2, 3. Here 4. So in this case, the answer there should be only 3 significant figures. So you have to stop here. That means this 3 is to be dropped. This 3 is less than 5. So this is left unchanged. So the answer is 44.4. We cannot apply this rule. If we are applying this rule, you have to see after the decimal point how many digits are there. So here 2 digits are there. So you have to keep 2 digits after the decimal point. That is in the case of addition and subtraction. In the case of multiplication, you have to see the total number of digits. So here 3 digits are there, here 4 digits are there, and this is the least 3. So in the answer also there should be only 3 digits. So 44.4. Same rule is applicable in the case of division. So 36.72 divided by 1.2. Here 4 significant figures are there, here 2. So 1.2. So here 2 significant digits are there. So the answer also you should keep 2 digits. That means this 6 is to be dropped. This is more than 5. So this is to be increased by 1. So the answer is 31. And I hope you have understood the concept of rounding off. Thank you for watching.